गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आप सभी को पता है कि यो आवर न्यू सेक्शन was started last few days. You are doing very well, homework and other things, but one more responsibility on you. Those students are in your surrounding, call them to take the admission in our school. Okay, everyone, to support and contact with your surrounding, those students in a learning process, those students want to take the admissions, that all students you can inform in our school admission was started, and contact with the our respected principal sir. Okay, today we are going to start our most important chapter, that is the carbon and its compound. Okay, the science chapter, this is the part of chemistry, and total overall chemistry is dependent on the this carbon and its compound. We start the our new chapter, carbon compounds. Okay, here the types of compound, you know the types of compound. One is organic compound and other is inorganic compound. Before the know the organic compound and inorganic compound, you must know the what is the chemistry. Okay, chemistry, which is the branch of science which deals with the study of so many chemicals, those things we are using every day and their chemical compositions, that all things we are studying in chemistry. Okay, chemistry having the branches, but the important branches are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. That three branches are most important. One, organic chemistry, here front of you having the organic compounds. Inorganic chemistry, second point is inorganic compounds, and physical chemistry. Okay, that are the branches of chemistry. Today we are studying the carbon and its compound. Okay, here the first is organic compounds. What are the organic compounds? Which are that? Why the organic compounds is most important? That overall things we are study in the our chapter. Okay, that is the carbon compounds. Organic compounds means what? All the compounds having carbon as a constituent element are called as organic compound. Organic compounds means in the constituent element the main factor is carbon. Inorganic compounds means the compound are obtained from minerals. Okay, means inorganic compounds are totally dependent on minerals. Organic compounds are mainly and totally dependent on the carbons. Okay, okay, you know our admission was started, that's why contact the students and give the information about our new academic year and new sections, those are started. Okay, here carbon and its compound. Okay, in this chapter we are studying about the introduction to organic chemistry and compounds, introduction to carbon, special properties of carbon, hydrocarbon and its classification, saturated and unsaturated compounds with their reactions, functional group and their property, soap and detergent. Firstly, we are focusing on what is the organic chemistry. Okay, you know the chemistry, you know the types of chemistry. There are three types: organic, inorganic and physical. Here we focusing on the organic chemistry and its compound. In this chapter we are going to study about the organic compounds. Organic compounds are those compounds that are mainly made up of, here focusing on the words, mainly made up of, mainly their main constituent element is a carbon, mainly made up of carbon. The carbon is so versatile in a nature that organic chemistry is a made branch of chemistry in which we deals mainly with carbon and its compound. Okay, carbon is very versatile. Total organic chemistry is depended on, you know, the organic fertilizers. Okay, everyone know the organic fertilizers because we are studied last year organic fertilizers. In that organic substances we are know those are organic substances, and that organic substances containing the carbon. Here the first, urea. It is the classical example of the organic compound. But why here we are seeing the picture of urea? Because of the first organic compound which is made, which is obtained, which is in the lab, that is the urea. The first thing we are make urea in the lab, and that the name of that scientist is Friedrich Wöhler. Firstly, and Friedrich Wöhler was accidentally prepare urea in lab. Accidentally he was preparing. He also doing the one experiment, and that experiment was busted. That experiment was burst, and in that accident one compound is made there. One compound is introducing to us, and that compound is urea, and that is the first organic compound. Okay, the name of that scientist is Friedrich Wöhler. Introduction of carbon. Okay, introduction of carbon. Carbon is, you know, the carbon symbol is C. Carbon is an element with symbol capital C. Atomic number is 6. Okay, electronic configuration, you know, 2 4. The 2 electrons in S means first cell, and remaining 4 electrons in second cell, that is the P. As suggested by its configuration, it belong to second period. You know, the as per the configuration it is in second period and 14 group. You know how and why it is in 14 period? Because of the valency. Okay, means last cell electron plus 10. Okay, the addition is 14, like that. Here the special property of carbon. Special property. Okay, the coal, you know, the coal, it is the classic example of organic compound. Here the special properties of carbon, that is the cationation. Cationation means what? You know, it is the self-linking property of carbon, that is, it link with its own kind of atoms. Here focusing, those are own kinds of atom. The carbon also link to that atoms, means carbon also link with the carbon. Here in front of you having the one diagram. Okay, carbon means long chain of carbon atoms. Cationation, it is the unique property of carbon to form a strong covalent bond with other carbon atoms. Covalent bond. Covalent bond means means with us, and valently bonded. You know, we are studying in a ninth. Okay, covalent bond. Covalently bonded with the other carbon. It bonded with a long chain. Here you know the long chain. Okay, this chain, a branched chain. Okay, ring chain. Ring chain, you know the compound. Okay, and next point is tetravalency. Tetravalency means carbon has a 4 electron in its valence shell, that it can easily lose or gain or share with other atom to attain stability. Most carbon want to stable. Okay, carbon want to stable. He also give or means lose or gain electron. Everyone know, give or take a electron to stability. That's why when he giving the 4 electron, he also stable. When he taking the electron, he also stable. That is called tetra. Tetra means first means single, di means double, tri means triple, and tetra means 4 times. Penta means 5 times. Hexa means 6 times. Hepta means 7. Octa 8. Non 9. Decane 10. Endecane 11. Dodecane 12. Listen carefully. 1 single, okay. Di double means 2. Tri means 3. Means triple, okay. Tetra means 4. Means 4 times. Penta 5. Hexa 6. Hepta 7. Octa 8. Non 9. Decane, okay. That is the decane means 10. Dodecane means 11, and endecane means 12. Here the multiple bonding, it is the next one property of the carbon, that is the multiple bonding property. The carbon having ability, due to ability of a carbon atom, multiple bonding as well as single bonding as well as double bonding, okay, double triple bonding. Here the carbon atoms also bonded together by single, double and triple bond. You know the ethane, it is the classical example of a single bond. CH3 CH3, okay. Ethene CH2 double bond CH 2, and ethyne CH triple bond CH means ethane also having 3 hydrogen atoms with 1 carbon atom. Okay, 2 carbon atom means C2H6. Ethene 2 carbon atom as hydrogen atom also losing and double bond acquiring. Ethene means CH4, C2H4, CH2 double bond CH2, and ethyne CH triple bond CH म्हणजे C2H2, that is the triple bond. Next one is due to the special property of carbon in hostile in nature, that is it form so many compounds, that we have created a special branch to study it. Okay, the first organic compound that was made urea, you know the, and next point is hydrocarbon. Okay, that next point we are discussing in a tomorrow section. Okay, if you have any problem, you can contact with me, you can contact with the sirs. Okay, you have any problem, take a snap and send to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, bye everyone and take care.